Ghana's disability community continues to face systemic challenges with limited access to public infrastructure, education, employment, and healthcare services. Despite ongoing advocacy efforts and policy interventions, persons with disability remain among the most marginalized groups in the country. Many PWDs also feel underrepresented in key decision-making positions within government, further deepening their exclusion.
I remember Dr. Dana was given the Chief Council Minister during His Excellency John Mahama's first term. Currently, about I think 1 or 2 people. We want many of our people to be represented in the government, to participate at the governance level, but we are not seeing much of that. So we want to take this opportunity to appeal to His Excellency that as much as we appreciate and commend him for giving the opportunity to some of our people, I think we need more, especially at the local level, the district level, so that they can make contributions and participate fully at the local level and take decisions, so that because those decisions will affect us. And at the regional level and the national level, we will appeal that the government should give them more opportunities so that we can also participate in our life.
One lingering concern is the fallout from the 2021 decision to remove toll booths across the country, a move that left many PWDs who worked at these facilities suddenly unemployed. Nearly 4 years later, the affected individuals are still waiting for their fair compensation and reassignment. They are therefore calling on the government to take immediate action to compensate and reassign them to meaningful employment opportunities in the country.
Those who were affected by the toll booth, they were reassigned, about 282 of them. So we appreciate that. And again, let me take this opportunity to commend His Excellency the President for his commitment to ensure that 5% quota is reserved for employment for the public and private sector. We are appealing that the Minister of Labour will take that pledge seriously and work on it so that persons with disability can access job opportunities as far as the 5% quota is concerned. First, we will meet with the Minister to have discussion on that subject matter as to how persons with disability, the promise the President made about the 5% can be operationalized.
Amid the challenges, the disability community has expressed conscious optimism about the new government's disability-focused manifesto, a key highlight to the promise to fully absorb tertiary education fees for students with disability, a policy hailed as a potential game-changer for equal access to higher education.
It's a good one. We appreciate that one because it's going to open up and create more opportunities for our people who have been locked out, who otherwise will not get the funds to access quality education, tertiary education for that matter. Our take is that we are going to support the government to ensure that this pledge is fully operationalized to the full benefit of our people.
Despite various national and international commitments to disability inclusion, many public facilities across Ghana remain largely inaccessible to persons with physical disabilities.
The disability law has been passed for the past 19 years, but the compliance rate is very low. Every infrastructure, every environment must be disability friendly. Please let's know that disability is not one person's business, it's for all of us. Today, excuse me to say, who knows that President Kufuor will be a wheelchair user today? Nobody knows that. So we are appealing to the general public that when they're putting up new structures and they are building a new environment, they should make it disability friendly so that our people can move about freely and contribute their quota to national development. So that when our people will be struggling, accessing environment is not the best. So we are appealing to the entire nation and duty bearers and everybody involved that they should comply with the Disability Act so that they will make every environment disability friendly for our people to enjoy and moving about in their own environment.
Ghana Federation of Disability Organizations, GFD, is calling for greater collaboration and commitment to building an inclusive Ghana where no one is left behind in accessing quality education and opportunities.
We are calling upon everybody, all stakeholders, duty bearers, policymakers, agencies, service providers, that let's all come together to ensure that disability inclusion is a reality. Let me take this opportunity to thank the Director General of Ghana Health Service. He has written to all district and regional hospitals to open disability desk at all the hospitals to make healthcare accessible to persons with disability. This is a good example, and we want to appeal to all agencies to emulate this good example so that we open up environment and accessibility for persons with disability so that they can access services to their full benefit in this country.
While Ghana has made some strides towards disability inclusion through policies and recent reforms, much more remains to be done. The environment must be made accessible, laws must be fully enforced, and attitudes across society must shift to embrace persons with disability as equal citizens with rights, not burdens. True inclusion goes beyond promises. It demands action, investment, and accountability. Only then can Ghana become a truly inclusive society where no one is left behind. Nanecha Abwaje, Bullet TV, Aveno.